In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Hostinger domain suspended problem in a simple step-by-step way. If your domain has been suspended and you're not sure what to do, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process so you can get your website back up and running. The very first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're on the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel, look at the Home section. There, you'll notice an option called Ask K. This feature works like a virtual assistant inside Hostinger Tees, designed to help you troubleshoot problems and get connected with support. Go ahead and click on Ask K. When the chat window opens, type in your issue clearly. For example, you can write something like, "My domain got suspended." After typing your problem, press enter to send it. The system will then respond and start guiding you by asking for additional details. Usually, they will request the exact domain name along with its extension, for instance, yourdomain.com. This helps them quickly identify which domain is suspended and why. To make your case stronger and easier for the support team to understand, you can also attach extra information. For example, you could upload a screenshot of the suspension notice or any error message you received. The more details you provide, the faster and more effectively they can help you. If the assistant finds your issue genuine, it will either connect you with a real support agent or provide you with a manual or direct guidance from Hostinger's team. At this stage, it's very important to explain your situation honestly. If your domain was suspended because of a mistake you made, like incorrect settings or violating a rule, don't be afraid to mention it. Being transparent will make it easier for them to resolve the issue on your behalf. Once you've shared all the required details and followed their instructions, the Hostinger team should be able to review your request and lift the suspension, allowing your domain to go live again. And that's it. That's the simple process you can follow to fix the Hostinger domain suspended problem and get your site back online. Thank you for watching this video.